Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Beam 3 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. So at first we have to go to connect devices in our settings and check over here connection preferences. Now we have to go to Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth for a moment. Now we have to close our case and wait a moment too. Up to 10 seconds. And after the time we have to enable Bluetooth back again and open our case back again. Now we'll have to check if we can connect to our headphones. If we can, that's it. If we don't, now we have to do a soft reset. So close the case and open it back. If it doesn't work for you either, you have to do a hard reset. To do a hard reset, you have to hold this button over here for at least 10 seconds. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!